vlog. Oh, hello. I definitely get awkward if I vlog after a long time. But I'm putting the Christmas tree up. This is very. I have to go find the Christmas tree, then the decoration, then put it up in the next 2 hours because then Mama will be home and she has a lot of work to be done where I can't use the whole hall to do my decoration. Also, the house is newly painted. It feels so bright. It's very weird. I need to even wear my specs, but there's a lot of light reflecting on it. That's why I removed it. But I'll wear it because I need to see nicely. Also, I'm gonna go find the Christmas tree now because my dog is staring at me like, what's wrong with her? I got the Christmas tree. It's very dirty right now. I need to like clean it. That is the Christmas tree. I literally wrote that with my lipstick. Am I crazy? But I can't find the decor right now. Really. It's so hot. Oh, the fan is not on. I'm down, really down. I still have one level to go, but that's literally going to touch the fan at this point. So last year when we bought the tree, Candy wanted a huge Christmas tree in the house, so we got this tree. And then I remember this Anshuti brought the tree, so it was like heavy, so we both were catching it, or we were like carrying it like a bear. And then when we reached Kalyan, we ran like literally, and we were laughing so much later. I'm gonna put a video if I find it. I don't think so. I have it because I cleaned my memory out, and then my laptop that had all our pictures lost its. I don't know. My sister got water on it, and then we had to clean it out, and then it went. Then we brought it and we put this tree up. And then we realized that this is like really crazily tall. And my father was in Goa that time. So what we did, we skipped one level in the middle and we put the tree up. And then dad came back home, and then just like the magic man that he is, he did something niche where he put all the tree like together and made it small. And then he shifted the showcase outside and then he put the tree there. That's where the Christmas tree stands every year. And he somehow made it stand with all the 4 feet. So I'm just going to put the whole, it's not 4 feet, it's something 8 feet if I'm not wrong. It's definitely taller than me, and I'm like 5'2". See? And it has one more level to go. So I'm going to just put the Christmas tree up, and then when my father comes, he's going to come and do his magic. And he's only going to put the star up because I definitely don't know to put the star up because he puts all tar and then he'll hang it outside. So he'll do his thing, and I really hope it's done by today evening because this video goes up tomorrow. But I'm tired. I am so tired. My hands are waiting. This bloody thing is so big. But I really hope that everyone has a nice Christmas this year. Oh, there's a candy. I got original candies this time so I can break them from the tree and eat. But it's kept in front over there. That's why everyone while leaving the house takes a candy and walks out with them. So there's barely candies left to break from the tree and eat. and I don't have the time to go to Profit and buy another candy box. Dumb decision, should have brought 2 boxes. I begun posting my reels, with the first reel being decorating the Christmas tree with candy. I'll put a link down, just go give me a view or something, I'll be really happy. And if you don't have access, then just message me that nahi ho raha hai. I'll go check what's wrong, because maybe it might be blocked. I block a lot of people. So yeah, go give me views everywhere. I don't care. I'm definitely tired. Yeah, I really want to eat something, and it is 15 minutes to 3 o'clock. That means I'll have to wait another 30 minutes before Mama comes. Maybe my food also will come with her. So yeah. Also I need to call Shruti, but I can't open that phone only. Some bloody lock is there on it. It's irritating very lock. It's done, I guess. Let me see. Okay, almost done. Definitely don't know to keep something straight. Also, I live to eat biryani and coke on Christmas Day. Biryani obviously, but I have cold and I don't think so I'll be able to drink coke this year, and that makes me feel so depressed. Because even during my birthday, my teeth was paining, so I wasn't eating chocolates for like a whole month. That's the last part. I'm sure, I guess the first Christmas tree in my house might have been literally this much. Then it went to this much, I guess. Okay. Then last year also we had it night. It used to be on the green teapoy over there. And then we used to have like a hut and then this. And then last year Candy decided that she was going to remove money from her salary and buy a big Christmas tree. Which makes me do so much work because she's at work right now. But yeah, I'm sure she's going to be happy when she comes home to a Christmas tree decorated. Also, I feel like this is my thumbnail, I guess. Because I really need to edit it. Okay, I'm going to go put this up. My dog is definitely scared of it because I'm shaking it as and he's standing over there. But let's do this. Oh, yes. Where is it? I don't know if it's only me, but the Christmas tree is teda. It's literally teda. I can show you. Wait. See, that's straight. Okay. Can I just? Oh, I can't do it. But if I leave it, it goes like that. I guess it's just the weight. You should need to put the screws down there to make it stand on its leg. And see, it's touching the, what do you call this shit? Ceiling. Yeah. So it's touching the ceiling. Also, my dog is definitely scared of me because I kept like opening the Christmas tree. It's just hurting him. And we're just making him shift from here to there to here to there. It was damn fun. So I'm going to shoot the first and tell her I put the Christmas tree up. Oh, you can see. Good boy! Okay, putting the Christmas tree definitely puts me in a good mood. But I don't know where the decor is. Yeah. Let's go find the decor. I should go, right? I'm tired. Decoration. It's so dirty. Oh. Everything I remove from like a lot of storage and then I'm like, it's dirty. Obviously it's catching dust. Why am I so dumb? Why am I talking about this on the camera? I shouldn't behave like that. Also these, they're also from Goa, especially Dad brought them. And we've been using them for the past 2, 3, 4 years. I guess it's 3 years now that we're using it. They were my favorite decoration when we came. I'm going to realize that this video is too long and then all my stories are going to go in full fast forward and then I'm going to be like, shit. that is it. We have a box full of decoration to go out. And then I have to even save the box up because you have to put it back inside. But without further ado, let's get decorating, shall we? I'm gonna, what do you call it? Time lapse. From putting big balls on the tree because he'll definitely try pulling it out. I know Rocky's eyeing this Christmas ball in my hand because he wants to play with it. And he has tried pulling it down. He has broken a lot of gift boxes. And he has played with a lot of balls. So we don't put decoration down here. And we also don't put it behind because it's covered with the wall, so it's not exactly needed. But I only want to decorate this much because my father will cover this part up, and then this will come more together, and then it will be put in its place, and then I'll be able to put where I need the rest decoration. So I'm heading out right now because I have thoda kaam. So I'll come back in the evening and then decorate the house with my father. But there's a ton of decor inside this herbal thing. Even the Christmas star is here only. Even the decors are here. So, this is my favorite decoration. It always is. So, this was made by my elder sister last year. So, we put this out on the door every year. And we put like a tar through this hole my father made to make sure no one pulls it and takes it out. Takes it and goes outside, but stars, lightings, the final touches, and I hope it's done because this video came up tomorrow. But yeah, but see you in a while. Bye.